Everybody, welcome to week 3. All right, so we've gotten into the second full week of classes and we're moving along really well. And so far, I'm seeing a lot of good work from you, so keep it up. Keep up the good work. This is the point where students start to see what this class is all about and how much is expected of them. So kind of the rubber meeting the road, if you will, here in week 3. But you can do this. You definitely can. And I've been seeing a great amount of engagement in the discussion boards, students trying to get assignments in on time. And when they have questions, they email me, they text me. This is perfect. This is what I'm always hoping to see from students in all of my classes. Keep up the good work. I really do mean that. I think I'm seeing a lot of good work here, solid engagement. That's what I'm looking for. So we're getting into Microsoft Office in earnest this week, and we're going to be turning to Microsoft Outlook. Microsoft Outlook, as you probably know, may not, but probably, this is Microsoft's email platform. So this is comparable to Gmail or Yahoo or Hotmail or whatever other kind of platforms you have. This is the one that we use at Bryant Stratton, and this is one of the more common ones that you're going to use just in the professional world itself. Companies, organizations, businesses use Microsoft Office very, to a great extent, and thus Outlook becomes very important. So there's going to be a really interesting Outlook simulation you're going to go through to kind of better understand how it works. The lecture notes are comprehensive, very detailed. Make sure you go through those so that you can pick up all those little elements about how to do certain things in Outlook, and more importantly, I would say, how to effectively craft a professional email. This is something that we can't undersell. It's very important to know how to do to professionally send emails, things with proper salutations and conclusions, and proper grammar, and using things like a signature line, a signature block at the end. All these kinds of things help to kind of add up to what we would consider a professional looking email. So in the lecture, you want to make sure that you are paying careful attention to that. And in the discussion board, there's going to be some elements of that, kind of what makes for a professional email and what doesn't. So what are we going to be doing this week? Well, there's 2 primary assignments other than the discussion board. There's going to be the Outlook reflection, in which you do reflect on Outlook. You're going to be talking about kind of how to use it and how to use it properly. And then there's going to be what's called the check-in. If this is your first term, this is something you're going to see in all your classes in week 3. This is your opportunity to tell me how things are going, okay? How do you feel in the class so far? How do you feel your performance is? What are your concerns? What are you worried about? Are there things that you find very, very interesting? Are there things that you hope to cover and you're not sure if we do, so you want to ask me about it? This is your opportunity in the check-in to tell me this. And is there anything more that I can do for you, okay? I am here for you. I want to help you. But is there something that you wish that I would be doing differently, or that I would be doing that I'm not presently doing? So take the check-in seriously, okay? It's an easy grade. If you do it, you get the full credit. Very easy, 100. But you want to make sure you take that seriously. So that's what we're going to be doing this week. It's going to be Microsoft Outlook. Make sure you get through that lecture because there's some great information in it. And also make sure you watch my video in the discussion board. Thanks, folks.